Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next program, write a program to find given string is palindrome or not. Given string is palindrome or not. So first you have to take one string. For suppose here I am giving the string this is one string. Here I am giving A. Here I am taking madam MA D A M. This is one string. Next you have to reverse this string. Reverse this string. So reverse function we already discussed about what is a reverse function. str reverse function is the target. This is target. For suppose here I am passing madam. Once again this is interchanged. This should be interchanged madam. Next you have to compare with the first string. This is the first string. We have to compare the reverse string with the first string. That's why here you have to copy this string into another string. Here you have to take two strings. First char str of 1 of 10. So read this string from the user and copy this string into another string. That's why here char str of 2 of some size 20. Scan str1. First how to scan string by using gets function. Next we have to copy str1 into str2. So str2 is the target, str1 is the source. You have to copy str1 source string into str2. So this one is str1. Here I have to take another string. So this string is str2. So this address is the base address. Now we have to copy. This is the target. This is the target. This is the source. So how to copy? By using string copy function. So str cpy string copy of str2 comma str1. So now this values m is copied into m. This addresses, take this address is 500, this one is 501, this 100 is 502, 503, 504 and then null character. Next 600, 601, 602, 603, 604. So string copy of str1 is copied into str2. What is str1 is 500 is copied into str2. So m is copied here. Next one is increment the addresses 501, 601 A. Next increment the addresses D. Next increment the addresses A, increment the addresses M, and then null character, null character, null character. So better to write null character. So please remember, every string should be end with null character. ASCII value of null is 0. So null character can be represented by using /0 within the single quotes. So /0 within the single quotes. Now this one is copied. Next, reverse the first string. This is the target. strrev. Reverse the str1. Now you have to, str1 is reverse the string. Now you have to reverse the string. M is copied into here, M. A is, these two are interchanged, both are same. Next D. After interchanging, the str1 is made. Now this is palindrome or not. That means both are same or not. So both are same or not by using which function? String comparison. By using string comparison, we have to compare strcmp, string comparison of str1 comma str2. This function returns an integer. The return value is an integer. Here I am assigning to I value is an integer. So both are same, then this function returns 0. So this M both are same, yes. Next check A and A, yes, both are same. Next D and D, so both are same. Next A and A, both are same. M and M, both are same. Next 0 and 0, both are same. That means this function returns 0. The value of I is 0 if both strings are palindrome. Now you have to check the condition. If I value is equal to 0, then print palindrome, else print not palindrome. So now how to convert this one into our C program. Now how many variables you have to define? 1, 2 strings, 2 character arrays, and 1 integer value I. Next to scan the string from the user and so alt F new F2 and taking palindrome.c. So void main. Here I define char str of 1 of some size 20, char str2 of some size 20, and int I. clr scr, clear the screen. Now printf /n, enter any string and gets of str. Now we have to copy strcpy, string copy of str2. Target is str2, str1 is source. Now str1 is copied into str2. Now we have to reverse the reverse of str1. Now we have to compare two values. There is a function called string comparison of str1 comma str2. If I value is equal to 0, then printf given string is palindrome, else printf given string is not palindrome. So F2, save this one. So Alt F9 gets of str1. First you have to scan the string in str1. Alt F9, yes, Control F9. So enter any string. I am entering madam. So the return madam, reverse is madam, compare reverse 0, given string is Alt F5, given string is palindrome. Once again I am giving hello, reverse E L L E H. Now here compare H and E, negative value, I value is not equal to 0, condition false, then given string is not palindrome. Alt F5, given string is not palindrome. So here in this code we are using extra variable is called I. So without using I, we cannot use I. Just simply call the string comparison function. If of string comparison. No need to check this condition. So please remember this function returns 0 if the given string is palindrome. So this here you get either positive or negative number. In string comparison function, the return values are either 0 or positive or negative. 0 means false, non-zero means true. So here given string is palindrome, that means the return value is 0. Here I am using not. Not of 0 means true. Now the return value is 0, not of 0 is true, then the given string is palindrome. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9. str comparison. Function name is str. Alt F9, yes, Control F9. So enter any string, madam. So Alt F5, the given string is palindrome. So F7, we are adding watch, debug this code, watches, remove all, watches, add watch, str1, debug watch, add watch, str2, so F7. So clear the screen. So enter any string. I am entering hello. So copy hello into str2. So F7 hello. Now reverse the str1. This str1 is reverse ELLEH. The difference between 0 and H is some negative value. Here the returns the negative value is true. Not of true means false. That means this statement is executed. So F7. So Alt F5, given string is not palindrome. Once again debug this code. F2, save. Alt F9, yes.